Pretty windy today. I'm going to show y'all. This is what it's like to live with tall trees. The wind's dying down. It was just roaring. It's scary. See what it did to my new thing there? Yeah, the rain did it. It gets scary. We had no power for a couple hours this morning because of the winds. Something's coming. Here it comes again. Uh-oh. Something fell. Scary. A lot of people can't handle it here. They move out. I lost a lot of trees back there a couple years ago. Look at those trees just moving. They're not going to fall though, because they're alive.